Hi, my name's John. Welcome to a cooking video. On Monday nights I normally do a little bit of restoration work on my Stuart Turner steam engine. I've been away at the steam rally all weekend with Richard and I've getting nothing done, nothing filmed really. At the steam rally there was one or two viewers' wives says, John, will you do a cooking video? I'm just getting home, I'm tired, I'm dirty, I'm very hungry. I'm going to do one of my favourites. It's a spam curry. I'll show you the ingredients, show you how I make it. I'm sure you'll find it interesting. Anyway, let's get stuck in and get this curry made. The ingredients are very simple. I've got an onion, mushrooms, some frozen peas, some Mason's curry paste, and obviously a tin of spam. The preparation of the spam is important. I've actually had this in the fridge for the last hour and a half just to get it to the right temperature so you can carve it correctly. The first thing to do is open the tin of spam. We're going to do that first. It's simply a pull ring, that pulls off, and that's a spam open. Now you can have a bastard of a job trying to get the spam out, but I've devised a method that works every time. We simply put a hole in the rear of the can, using sterilised centre pop naturally. Then we use an airline just to simply remove the spam. That's it. Nice and clean. There's no damage. There's nothing worse than driving a knife down the side and trying to lever it out. You can damage it. The spam's at the perfect temperature for cooking. I'm just going to put some gloves on before I start because my fingernails are absolutely filthy. I've been playing with coal dust and steam oil all weekend. I should have put the gloves on before I blow the spam out, but you can't get it back into the tin. Right, I'm going to cut this into 14mm slices. Now I have already set up the dividers. So we've got 3 nice wide slices. Okay, that should be enough for a medium-sized curry. Then I'm going to half these. You can guess, you don't need to measure the. It's not that critical. Then these are, once again, cut into 4. So for half them, keep them all nice and square. Half them. Half them again. And then half the last bits. So we should have 16 nice squares of spam. Right, that's the spam sorted out. Next, the mushrooms. I normally just quarter these. These are chestnut mushrooms. You can use any mushrooms you like, but these are the ones I particularly like. You don't need to measure, you can just sort of guess these. Right, next we've got a decent sized onion. I always have problems cutting onions up, I don't know why, but I cut both ends off first. I'm probably wasting a bit, but then I cut it in half that way. Take off the skin, which is not easy with gloves on. I sometimes wear a mask when I'm doing this just because the onion vapour or onion fume is not very nice. I don't know if it's harmful, but I don't think it's very pleasant. Right, so we'll peel the onion, or skin the onion, or whatever we're going to call it. Right, next, once that way, and then that way. Decent sized chunks, but not massive bits. Right, that's basically all the ingredients sorted out. These go into a wok with a little bit of oil and we'll fry them off. Right, we've got the wok on the gas. You could put butter in here, but we want to try and keep things sort of semi-healthy, so we'll use a little bit of olive oil. The first thing to fry off is the onions because they will take the longest to cook. While the onions are warming up, we can do the curry sauce. A little bit of water like that, a little bit more maybe. Into that goes your Mason curry paste. Believe it or not, the garage I'm working in now, they actually make this next door. It's really nice stuff. Doesn't take a great lot. It's very, very easy to do. You can of course add extra spices if you want to, but I find the medium mix is just about perfect for me. Right, that's starting to get warm now, so we'll put the onions in. More heat. You can put a little bit of garlic in here if you wanted to. Personally I don't, but you could. And anything you want. You can put beans in, peppers in, whatever you want. It's your curry, do it any way you like. Frozen peas, just to give a little bit of colour. If you're wondering, the wife's actually at work tonight, so I've got free run of the kitchen, so to speak. I've moved the pan onto a higher gas just to get a bit more heat into it because it's quite a big pan. I want to cook this fairly quickly because I'm absolutely starving. Right, as that's cooking, we'll start to do the curry sauce. Right, this is the curry sauce mix. All it is water and the Mason medium curry paste. Slowly warm up and use a whisk just to break down the curry paste. If it's too thick, you just put some more water in. If it's too thin, obviously you put a little bit more curry paste in. Right, all that's kind of blended together and cooked now. The spam's actually cooked before you start, so it's just a warm up job. And turn the gas down a little bit. It's a bit like making custard, it thickens up very nicely just as it comes to the boil. The spam is starting to get the lovely golden brown colour now. Curry sauce is just about there. Nice thick curry sauce just on the boil. That's basically that done. You can have that with chips, it really is a nice mild curry sauce. Right, we'll change gases. Right, curry sauce goes into here. No nasty lumps or bumps, it's all blended in really nicely. So that's basically the curry done. Next is the rice. The rice is not rocket science, it's simply microwave rice. Put it in the bag, nuke it for 2 minutes, stir it up and it's good to go. You can fry it if you wish, but this is going to do quite nicely for John's tea. Right, the microwave has done its magic and the rice is Warm all the way through, little stir up. And obviously the rest will be going to get either in the fridge or frozen. But that's basically a quick simple curry. We'll give it a try and see what it's like. Once again, it's just time to say thanks for watching, thanks for subscribing, and bon appetit, bonny lad. Let's sort it all the fuss is about. That's absolutely spot on. It really is nice. Don't forget, I have started a Patrion channel. The link's at the front of the video, in the description box. Have a look. If you want to support me, that's where your support is. Anyway, thanks for watching.